front-facing camera, 4K 16, both of them very wide, a little bit brighter on Xiaomi. Is it overexposing the sky? At the moment, no. But if we're gonna shoot against the sun, that's the difference. It wants to brighten up my face, that's why everything is overexposed. If you're out of the frame, it will compensate quickly. Nice. Really nice. Do we have autofocus and front-facing camera? No, we don't. But 4K 60 is still super cool. And the main lens in 4K 60 frames per second. There is no wide-angle lens in the smartphones, but the main one is also wide. And I think Xiaomi is a bit wider. Let's walk around a little bit. We do have some colors, like red. A bit closer. There you go. Video stabilization. Do we have autofocus in main lens? Of course we do. And it is quick. Look at the bokeh effect. Just blurring the background. Quick. Nice. Alright. That's nice. Nice part. And the lizard. Alright, if you want to vlog from this smartphone, this is how it's going to look like. And also, you can see yourself in the outer screen, outside screen. Yeah. A little bit of telephoto for the pigeons. 4x and also 4x. Oh, they're taking a bath. That's nice. Alright. I think I scared them. If we go all the way to 6x, this is how it's going to look like. 6x in both of them. That's the maximum for the 4K 60. And how cool is to take a photo or selfie from such a small device? You basically have a device in the palm of your hand, and on the outside no one will see what you have on your hand, and on the inside you have the whole screen to you, and you can take a selfie or vlog or whatever. So no one will snatch your smartphone from your hand. That is how cool they are. And I think that's all I got. See you next video. Bye. Link in the description.